How to create a business plan in 9 steps. Step 1. Write an executive summary. Summarize the business plan with objectives, strategies, and competitive advantages. Step 2. Describe your company's description. Include an overview of the company's mission, vision, values, and goals. Step 3 is the research phase and market analysis. Analyze the industry and customer base, including competitive research and favorable trends for your business. Step 4. This is the step for you to describe your organization and management. Describe the roles and responsibilities of the key people in the business. Step 5. Talk about your products and services. Describe your products or services and their benefits. Step 6 is for sales and marketing. Explain your sales and marketing strategies, including pricing and advertising tactics. Step 7 should be used to discuss your funding request. Outline how much funding you need to start, how it will be used, and the return on investment. Step 8. The financial plan. Outline financial projections and projections for potential investors. Step 9 is your appendix. Include all relevant documents, licenses, and supporting information. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.